Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to use Claude Artifacts. All right, so let's begin with the video. To begin, open your browser. Head over to Claude AI and start a brand new chat. Starting with a fresh conversation helps Claude stay focused on a single project and keeps all instructions organized in one place. Next, ask Claude to create something visual and interactive. For example, you could request a simple HTML web page, or ask it to build a small React application. The key is to keep your prompt clear and direct, so Claude understands exactly what you want to generate. Once you submit the request, Claude will usually generate the necessary code and automatically open the result inside the artifact preview window. Now, if you go to the top right and click on this icon, it will open up your generated HTML page. If you click on it, you can preview it. You can preview it visually on the right side, and you can also see the instructions and the code on the left side. After the preview appears, take some time to review everything carefully. Look at the layout, text, colors, and any interactive elements that may be included. Once you know what changes you want to make, continue refining the project directly inside the chat. You can request simple modifications, like changing the background color, adjusting text styles, or adding new buttons and sections. Claude will then update both the code and the artifact preview so you can immediately see the changes reflected on the screen. That's the overall process for using Claude Artifacts effectively. And that's it. So that's basically how you can use Claude Artifacts. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.